Incredible number of developments on a day when India today has set the agenda once again on this high-tempo, high-voltage story in Maharashtra. The top 5 developments I want to recap for you at this very latest stage at 5 p.m. The politics, as you know, is exploding over the Maharashtra Hafta Gate, and these are the latest developments in the case. After ex-Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh accused Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh of running an extortion racket, the former Mumbai top cop has also blown the lid off the money for transfer racket in the state. Parambir has now claimed that Anil Deshmukh had shunted out another IPS officer last year, Rashmi Shukla, from the post of Commissioner of Police Intelligence instead of taking action against the graft charges that she had highlighted in written form. Development number 2. Meanwhile, India Today has accessed Parambir Singh and the shunted cop Rashmi Shukla's letter written to the Maharashtra State DG of Police last year, exposing this alleged nexus between brokers and high-profile IPS officers, where it was a basically give cash and get the desired transfer kind of scam. August last year's letter, and she was shunted out, and those allegations were never investigated. Development number 3, the BJP's Devendra Fadnavis, former Chief Minister of the state, has hit back at the current Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray of the Shiv Sena, alleging that Uddhav had full knowledge about this transfer racket that was highlighted by Officer Rashmi Shukla last year. He says that Uddhav sent a report to his Home Minister Anil Deshmukh, who instead of taking action, shunted out Rashmi Shukla. She was silenced and transferred out. Number 4. NCP has rejected Rashmi Shukla's allegations over this transfer racket case that has now been exposed by India Today. The NCP claims that Rashmi is working at the BJP's behest. This is a standard response that the NCP and Sena have been saying for many of the things that have come up in the last few days. Nawab Malik of the NCP says that Officer Rashmi Shukla did not take permission to tap phones, so how could she be making these allegations? Number 5, in the Mansukh Hiren murder case. Remember Mansukh Hiren, the man who owned the Scorpio that was found outside Antalya? His body was found in the Thane Creek just a few days later. Well, the Maharashtra ATS today has claimed that Sachin Vaze is the key conspirator in the death of Mansukh Hiren. Maharashtra's ATS chief Jayjeet Singh has also claimed that the crime was committed when Sachin Vaze was on leave. He reveals that Vaze used 5 to 6 SIM cards in this crime. And we've got all the other details, including a fake Aadhaar card and several other forged documents. And we've got some breaking news coming in. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has just made his first comments on the Maharashtra Hafta scandal. This is Amit Shah's first comment, and it is, as always, to India Today. Since this scandal has broken, Amit Shah has been on the campaign trail in other states and he hasn't had a word to say about it. But on India Today, he breaks his silence. Amit Shah's first comments on the Maharashtra Hafta scandal.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.